Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal can't transfer your money. If PayPal keeps saying you can't transfer your money, don't panic. In most cases, the problem is caused by a simple account issue that can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons why PayPal blocks transfers and show you exactly how to solve them step by step. The first thing you need to check is your withdrawal method. PayPal will not allow transfers unless you have a valid bank account or card connected to your account. To check this, open PayPal and go to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see your linked cards and bank accounts. If nothing is connected, click Link a Bank or Link a Card, enter your information, and complete the verification process. After the account is confirmed, try transferring your money again. If your bank account is already linked but the transfer still isn't working, the next thing to check is whether your funds are on hold. PayPal sometimes temporarily holds money, especially if the payment is unusual, your account is new, or the transaction looks suspicious to their system. When funds are on hold, you won't be able to withdraw them until PayPal releases the payment. To check this, go to your activity page and open the transaction. If the payment is being held, you may see options like Confirm Order Status, Add Tracking Information, or Mark as Processed. Completing these steps can help speed up the release of the funds. Another common reason transfers fail is account verification. PayPal may limit your account until you confirm details like your name, phone number, address, or identity documents. Check your settings or notifications for any verification requests and complete them to restore transfer access. You should also make sure you're trying to transfer the correct amount. Sometimes users accidentally attempt to withdraw more than their available balance, or they try transferring an unsupported currency. Even small issues like currency mismatches can cause transfers to fail. Double-check your balance and confirm that your withdrawal method supports that currency. If your account is brand new, PayPal may also apply temporary transfer limits. These limits are usually removed once you verify your email address, phone number, and identity details. Fully verified accounts generally have fewer restrictions and smoother withdrawals. Finally, remember that sometimes the issue may not be on your side at all. PayPal occasionally experiences temporary system errors, maintenance, or server problems that can interrupt withdrawals. If everything looks correct and transfers still don't work, wait a little while and try again later. You can also visit the PayPal Help Center for updates on any ongoing service issues. By checking your linked payment methods, reviewing held payments, completing account verification, and confirming your balance details, you can solve most PayPal transfer problems quickly and get your money moving again. And that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials like this.